It's pause.
Thank you, AJ. I just put it right there. Thank you.
It says pause.
Yeah, now it is.
Oh, okay.
Oh! Okay, Captain. Okay, Captain.
Ball coming, ball coming.
Yeah, I got this shit, man. You doing all fucked up. Hey, your chubby fingers is messing it up.
Jules back, Jules back. Everything chubby down here.
We're gonna have crooked video. That's what she said, though, right?
Baseline, baseline.
Thanks, Zach. We could have got off to a good start. Our
man.
last game messed it all up.
I know, we in there.
I'm kidding. Oh, I appreciate you, baby.
Swing, swing, swing.
Huh?
Swing.
Filipino 5'9" under. Oh, okay. 10!
You guys have the ball, the ball in offense.
Give it to all day. 3-point champ. Why you say mommy on your jersey?
Ew.
Push, 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 push.
All right, guys.
Push.
Oh.
Oh,
Good take, Jay. Good take.
oh shit, Westbrook.
Nah, that's Jerome.
That's a one-man team. Eh?
That's a one-man break.
Shoot that toe and hit him in the head.
Oh! Play yourself.
Oh, good pass.
Push, Drex, push, Drex. And one.
I got him. I got him. Thank you.
He's 5'9" all
Filipino. You know, some of them are like looking kind of Cambodian and Mien. You know, that's like me.
I can play in this league. Man. You got a weight limit?
Somebody, you know, some Filipinos look Cantonese over here, light skin and Cantonese and Spanish over
Trying to
here.
say, man.
And did he make that? I'm sorry.
Oh man, that's elite, just like the shorts.
Hey, Kels, who made that pito, Kels? Who made that pito? Justin?
Oh, good D.
Come on, Justin. Woo! Champion.
Go, get a stop. Get a stop. Get a stop.
J-Mac.
Oh, too many shooters on this team. That's money, Tom. Oh, no fair.
Push! Numbers!
Come on, Jay.
Wait for the contact.
Uh-oh.
Good job, Kenny.
Who needs Brian? Brian who?
Go, one more stop, Charles. One more stop.
Hey, that's why I stopped. Huh? The fuck?
Numbers! You gotta get back in.
Come on, Pat, right there.
Good D. Good defense, guys. Way to get back. Good defense.
All of your day, he did that. Good shot. Oh, that was a shot. There you
Kenny, you got two left. Kenny, you got two
Oh,
left.
shit.
Too bad it don't count as an assist. Yeah, it does. You know, people
One
wanted to
more.
fight me when I was on a mic, man.
What?
'Cause you know my
Easy, easy, easy.
I think I'm nice.
Good take, Trey.
Give me a couple shots.
Like you know how like Drew couldn't take my
Yeah,
shit
keep up the
talking
defense,
until
bro.
he got to know me a little bit. You know what I mean? Until he knew I was just fucking around. He was taking it too serious.
Oh, good pass. That guy is super elite shorts. Play that
Kenny.
Right on the street.
What?
Down the street.
Oh,
We was at a game this 11.
okay.
We just got done over there. Came out here.
Oh shit. What time is Pop's thing? 2:30?
Yeah, 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Okay.
I don't want to go back to Oakland and come back out
Of course.
here.
That'd be-
I'm about to be here to talk shit.
Right.
Of course. It's always fun.
I'm here to watch all day.
Oh, man.
All day. Oh, look at this.
Good job, J-Mac. Good job, J-Mac. Set him up.
I
Everyone
see
cut.
you, Gino.
Everyone cut.
You're losing them
Everyone
LVs. You
cut.
looking slim right now, bro. You looking slim. I see you, man. Look like
Dead ball, dead ball, dead
slim
ball.
fellas over here.
Oh, Jerome, you trying to get his stats up.
Good job, Kenny. Hold it, Kenny. Hold it. Hold it, Kenny. Sub.
Hey, you guys got 4 seconds to get it over.
Oh, shit, that's what I do.
You got time. You got time. You got time. You got time. You got time.
Oh.
Numbers. You guys cut. Everyone cut. Come on. Move without the ball.
Oh, too windy down there. Oh.
Nice one, Justin. Oh! Come on, Jules. Get that thing up.
Oh, that's us. That's us. Good job.
Sup?
Jay.
Sub.
Kaya ba yan? Parang ako yata. I agree.
Oh, that- hey, Jason, did you hit that 3? That was you that hit the 3, right? Or that was Justin? Come on, Justin. Man, you leading the team scoring right now. And the free throws.
No, that was it.
Oh, that was yeah.
Oh, that's good. Oh, ball's too high.
Good shit, Kel. Over.
Sup? Pretty boy swag coming in.
Sabi ka niya. Hindi ako mayabang. Hambog lang. Malalang kayo. Good pass. Oh, that's a specialty.
Lagi naman. Take.
Oh, good pass. That's money. Oh.
High ball game.
0-0, fellas, new game.
Keep cutting. Cut. Follow.
There you go, nice job, Tino.
Oh, 5-on-4.
Good take. Good take.
Oh, undefeated team right here. Oh, did you? You guys play like you guys are undefeated? Sup? Huh? Man, those are old school jerseys, man. Oh, second fam? Oh, from the Philippines.
There you go.
Oh, one man fast break. sub. You should have just made the layup, man. You gotta believe. You gotta believe. I believe. Oh!
Yeah, Jerome, you practice though.
I still believe in you.
It's better than DeAndre.
Oh.
I said his is better than DeAndre. He's hitting the rim.
Yeah.
So guys. Oh, good deep. Oh. Hey, that guy's elite. Just like his shorts.
He's elite like his shorts.
How's money? Oh, good pass. Oh! All the way down. He got the ball. Good shot. Oh yeah. That's what happens when y'all wear the same color jerseys.
Now you can't tell each other apart.
I want Dale though. One Dale and why you sweating?
What up, Juma? Got paid. Tie ball game!
Sub if it makes it.
Oh, sub if it That's cold-blooded.
Come on, Jerome. I got $10.
What's up, Pokey?
Money. I told you.
Sub!
He made it. Round table?
He said round table.
Come on, move. Mr. Championship. I got money on it tomorrow.
Bring it.
Come on, I got it. Come on, Kenny.
Nice.
Get in there. There you go, Paul. Hey, Kenny, do you mind sitting down, my brother? He's taking. He's taking over.
Money.
Jules got 6 rebounds right now.
Come on, Jay.
Oh, there you go, Jason.
This team actually pretty. Get good shot.
Yeah. Oh, good pass. Oh!
Hey, young man. Who got that young man?
Oh!
Come on, Elite. Foul.
We got subs coming in. Second free throw. Oh my God, the old black team. And of course you're on there, right?
You know, black. You know, all niggas are playing all black dudes. Brody Norman got on. All Filipino. I'm like, that nigga ain't Filipino.
Oh my God, so he turned them down?
No, they played. He just made it. He made us a guess. A guess. Yeah, them fools ain't got no chemistry with Westbrook. All day. 101.
105.
Yeah. Shooter, right side. Oh, pull that. Oh, what a play.
Come on, play it. Tie ball game. If it matters to you.
What's that ringer for?
Huh?
What's that ringer for?
It's the horn for subs.
It's the first time you're doing it.
Hey, it's just first time you notice.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
That's what I used to do when I had 6.
That was a long time ago.
Long. Oh, that's money.
Damn. That's Westbrook right there. Brian who? Hey Jason, Brian is working on Saturdays? That's okay. You guys don't need him this season. What's that?
I thought Jesus had a wheelchair.
Hey G, he said he thought you was in a wheelchair.
He ain't moved in like 30 seconds. I'm just kidding, man.
10!
Oh!
5 seconds on the shot clock.
I had Romeo on that team on Tuesday, no, Thursday. This fool was telling me he wants the early games. I'm like, those games are late. Yeah, those are late. Like,
Tie ball game.
wow.
And one.
Whoa!
Hey, you guys want to call a timeout?
Nope. Why'd you ask this?
12 to 2.
Oh, that's right, because Pops come in at 2. Or 2.
Yep. Number 4 is a shooter.
Oh.
Push.
I thought Jerome was going for a fast break. You saw your foul, Jay. Oh, good pass. Shoot that.
Oh, Jules with his 9th rebound.
Dead ball.
You don't have to break like Jerome.
Oh! The one-man fast break!
It's like Patrick with layups.
That's a good layup.
Go.
Oh! Dang! Grex!
Snatched it out of his hands. Almost made his hair change color. Oh,
1-footer. Brian who?
all day.
Oh.
Right there. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's going all the way. Hey, that's the ultimate green light.
Push.
That's why you're wearing that jersey. Oh, all the way, bro.
He lost it. Yeah, that's an offensive rebound.
got my. Well, you know what hilo is?
The what?
Hilo. It's
Okay.
like Filipino massage.
Yeah.
I had this old lady work on my back because you know my shit been hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, she used her elbows.
Oh, dude, that was killing you. I know you were bitching up a little. You was like, you didn't want to tell, that hurt.
Move your feet.
Yeah,
That ball.
you
That
let her
ball.
do it. It felt good though.
Of course.
My shit been tight.
Oh!
What are we got my toe? Oh!
Jump.
Shoot that, Jay!
10!
Shoot that, Jay! Oh!
5!
Only get that Filipino fadeaway.
Push. What number?
Oh!
Have a great week, alright? See you guys next week. Have a good one.
Cutter.
Oh!
Hey, Kels, you are elite like your shorts,
You
bro.
don't know when to look up. Everybody's LeBron out here. Oh, what's that?
Oh, that's us.
Hey, just make a call and move forward.
Drills.
Good
job.
Oh!
Oh!
You know you got teammates.
Uh-oh.
He was over there pushing the wall.
He was doing that cat stretch on the wall. Hey, Juma, you must have watched a cat do that. You must have watched a cat do that or something. That's how Chris stretches in the morning, man.
Yeah. That's how.
I stretch everything. Same thing you had on Pop Street?
Hey, Paul, did he hit one? Did he hit one? Huh? Did he really? Hey, who hit that jack on this side? Chris was talking to me.
Good.
Hey, he got
all the
it.
way.
Oh!
Oh, turn!
Back to back! He's not fast enough. Oh, he did! Bad, Dale. Dale, one of those, the wood school baller. Started off wood school.
Hey, watch right there.
Oh, man, that's good.
Come on, Mike.
Yeah, you guys are 30.
Nice, Joe.
Oh, we only got one hand. Jay, why don't shoot it? Tied up?
They're up.
That guy's a professional.
He's elite like his shorts.
Good up, G. There you go.
Oh, good pass. Oh, shoot that. Oh. Oh, that's money.
Oh, damn. Come on, Hills.
Come on, there you go.
Good hustle, guys. Right idea.
Gotta box out, guys.
Clear.
Shooting!
Oh, it's too windy down there.
Watch the
Oh,
block.
you're right there, Hills.
Get out. There you go.
10.
Oh.
There you go, Gino. Go, Gino.
Go hustle, Gino. Whoa.
Jason. Hey, what's 33's name again? 33?
Nico?
Huh?
Nico.
Oh, Nico.
And
I keep forgetting, man. My bad, Nico.
All right, guys. Here we go.
Oh.
5-0?
How much Mike got?
That's, huh?
How much Mike got?
2. Hey, green 4 is the shooter. Boxing 1.
Best looking guy.
Good foul.
That's what they're doing right now. They're boxing 1 on her right now. They're boxing 1 on Jane, man. That's messed up. Tied ball game.
I need one more shit.
Green ball.
Jump ball.
And redo it.
Redo the play.
Hey, Nico, go back. Jason, watch runner. Watch 13.
There you go, babe.
All the way, Jake.
Oh, good look, Kel.
If we didn't have all those hair, it would have come.
Time out! Dude, Tuesday, hey man, Thursday is fun, man. Thursday is fun. Nah, it was still like,
Oh yeah, that was funny.
yeah, that was.
What you do to Billy, man? He went home.
Get it stop.
I was asking him.
Thank you.
Take 5 minutes out.
Push.
Both in, fellas.
Take 4.
Alex,
In front.
what's up? Good to see you. You gotta change your tone, man. That sounds a little racial, man. Every time he says black, man.
Oh shit.
Excuse me, Pat.
Clock is time.
Oh shit.
Subs!
Concussion protocol.
Somebody jump.
Was that too big of a word for you? Incidental?
Back left, Drake. Back left. Go, easy.
That guy got wheels.
He got wheels. He got wheels of steel, though.
What's up, Alex?
Grab a jersey.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, he was right
Good
there.
D. Good defense, Drake.
You gotta work harder for your shots.
Niggas don't have fast. That's right.
Exactly.
Dead ball.
Is foul on you? That's 2. Come on, Daniel. It doesn't matter. Yeah, he did. I believe in him. I believe. I believe.
Push! Push! Numbers! Numbers!
Oh.
Oh, the floor!
Grab a jersey! Grab a jersey! That's us, yeah.
Yeah, that's hustle.
By yourself,
Damn.
Let's go!
That's hustle for your ass. Dude, if the Hennessy boys have hustle like that, you guys would be like 10-time champions, man.
Push! Push! Hey, somebody play big! Somebody play big!
What's the middle?
Good pass. Look at that.
10.
Go, John!
They're champions, man. Damn!
All the way, all the way, all the way! Go! One more stop, let's go! We still got 4 minutes, let's go!
Man, the Wolves look like a pack of wolves right now, man. The Wolves look like a pack of wolves right now.
Go hustle, J-Mac!
That's 3, Jay!
Go hustle, J-Mac! Get a stop, one more stop, let's go! Oh, that's not a foul.
You guys got 3.
They used 2 already.
They only used 1. Nah, that's a second.
Hey Jay, we need those hustle points, all right? Keep hustling. Box out shooter.
That's what we want.
All right, you hitting the front.
Go, Jason!
Oh, he's the front.
Push. We need these, Jack.
I got it! My bad. Hey man, stop distracting me, Chris.
Blaming me for your good look.
Did he hit that?
Grab a jersey, grab a jersey, grab a jersey. Hey, don't let it get easy.
Hell, them bully ball.
You need to score. You need to score. Swing, swing, swing.
10!
Oh.
5 under. For 1 minute, 5 under. Ooh. Uh-oh.
Make it count, Jules. Grab a jersey. Grab a jersey. Nobody. Drex, by yourself. By yourself, Drex. Get across. Get across. Let's play big. Let's play big.
10!
Fast.
Take care of the ball. Take care of the ball. Hey, we got to score. Come on.
10!
Oh, that's offensive. Let's go.
I don't know if I would have taken that.
Hey, it's not running.
Hey, let's go, defense. Block, let's block. Let's go. Good block, baby. Block, Greg. You don't need that knee brace anymore. Hey, hold it. Let's go free throws.
10!
Don't foul.
5! Time out!
Push him back, Direct. Push him back, Direct. Push him back.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, come on.
We have another one.
Hold on.
How's that backcourt? We didn't.
Huh? It's 1 second. It's 1 second.
1 second. 1 second. Here we go. 1 second. Oh shit. I got inbound. Here we go.
Oh, this game winner right here.
Hey, stay on the floor! Stay on the floor! Stay on the floor!
Rex, you good?
Zeus, what number are you, man?
35.
Get up, J-Mac.
I got it. Thank you.
Rebound! Rebound! Easy. And one, let's go. Come on, man. Need to stop. You only need to stop. That's a... Let's go, man.
Shooting! Shooting!
Oh, that's a push.
Sup?
Hey, Jay, we need a score. Come on. We need a score. Get there. We need a score. And one.
Huh? No, the PPV up. Hey, come on, man. You're part of the damn committee. You don't even know the name of your... You used to be like, yeah, I play in Pops League. Come on, Key.
Take your time, man.
Actually, had a game this morning with Brother Norman. Still doing it,
Dead ball. Oh yeah. Help out.
on the shot clock.
Hey, 4 seconds. Come on. 4 seconds. 3, 2.
Shooting! Shooting! Line up, gentlemen.
Hey, we need a rebound. We need a rebound. Hey, Greg. That's a layup and a stop.
Always. Jumo! Come on, baby. Pressure. Still pressure. Come on, Roel.
Take care of the ball. Take care of the ball. Take care of the ball. Go.
11 seconds on the shot clock. 11.
11 seconds.
Hey, D.
Go.
10. Hopes. Hey, shooting. Both teams on bonus. 46-45.
Okay, guys, here we go. That's 2 fouls.
Uh-oh. You don't want it, huh?
Hey, relax. 3 shots.
Good foul.
Box out. Come on. Make the second one. Let's go.
Box out.
Tie ball game.
Grab a jersey. Dead ball. Go.
Line up.
Son.
Always. Oops. Line up! No timeout! No timeout! That's no timeout! No timeout! No, 1 carry. I said 0 1. Shooting. Call it. All right. Congratulations.